Good morning, students. I am Gopal. Today we discuss some of the problems based on the last class. So here we have to find out this integral value by using integral by parts. Okay, here the given problem is find integral x tan inverse of x dx. As per Euclid rule, integral x tan inverse of x dx, where x is algebraic function and this is inverse trigonometric functions. By Euclid method, we have to written I means inverse trigonometric function is first, means we consider this as a first function, and algebraic function is the second function. So that's why the given integral can be rewrite into this form. Okay, yes. Now by the integral by parts, we know that the integral by parts, integral u dv equal to u into v minus integral v into du. So here this integral, so this is now we compare u and completely this is dv. So therefore what is u here? Here u equal to tan inverse of x and dv equal to x into dx. And what is the meaning of v? V is, so this is the first function, this is the second function. So v means, so this is v means integration of the second function, integral x dx. Du means, so in this equation we have to find out, already we assume this is u and dv equal to this one. We have to find out the remaining values, this value and this value. So this value can be find out by using, so this procedure. V equal to integral of the second function du, this value is the differentiation of the first function. Yes, we have to substitute these values in this equation, means integral tan inverse of x into dx, sorry, x into dx equal to, so first we have to written u. What is u? Tan inverse of x. So then we have to written v. What is v? Integral x dx minus integral of v. We have to written v here. What is v? v is integral x dx, and then we have to written dv. What is dv? Differentiation of tan inverse of x into dx. Yeah, now this is tan inverse of x, integration of x is x square by 2, minus is as it is, and integration of x square by 2, and a differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So therefore this is equal to tan inverse of x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 integral x square by 1 plus x square dx. So there is no direct formula, so that's why, so here we use one of the technique here. This is as it is, minus 1 by 2 integral. In this numerator we adding subtracting 1. Why? Because denominator is in the form of 1 plus x square, and then we have to separate this numerator. So this integral, so first two terms x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx minus integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So here both the numerator and denominator is same, so therefore we cancel numerator and denominator. Minus 1 by 2 integral 1 dx minus integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to tan inverse of x. So this is the direct formula, and then minus 1 by 2 integral 1 dx equal to we get x, and then we multiplying this 1 by 2 into this x. So therefore minus 1 by 2x minus plus 1 by 2, so tan inverse of x plus c. Now this is the value of the given problem. So dear students, now if any problem is given, so first identify which one is the first function and which one is the second function, then we will integrating the given problem by integral by parts. Dear student, this is one more example. Find integral sine inverse of x dx. Now the given integral is integral sine inverse of x dx can be written as integral sine inverse x, and this is dv. We have to written so in this form. So by the integral by parts, integral u dv equal to u into v minus integral v du. Here we compare this is into this left hand side integration. So therefore u equal to sine inverse of x and dv equal to 1 into dx. So therefore we have to find out the remaining terms v and du. What is v? V is integration of this function. So therefore integral 1 dx. Then u equal to differentiation of this function d by dx sine inverse d by dx of sine inverse of x. So therefore we have to substitute these values in this equation, means so integral sine inverse of x 1 dx equal to sine inverse of x into v. What is v? Integral 1 dx minus integral 1 dx. Now we have to written v. V means integral 1 dx and du. What is du? Differentiation of sine inverse of x into dx. So therefore we get sine inverse of x into integral 1 dx equal to x minus integral. So integration of 1 dx equal to x and differentiation of sine inverse of x equal to 1 by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. Yes, now this is x sine inverse of x minus integral x by under root of 1 minus x square can be written this form. Square root means power 1 by 2 dx. So here we have to put, here we use the substitution method, put 1 minus x square equal to t and we have to find out the differentiation on both sides, minus, so differentiation of x square equal to 2x dx minus dt. So therefore x dx equal to minus dt by 2. So in the second part, the first part is as it is. In the second part, so x dx is replaced by minus dt by 2 and 1 by 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square we have to put, this is t and power is as it is. So then we have to take minus 1 by 2 common plus 1 by 2 integral. We shift this denominator t into numerator, t to the power of minus 1 by 2 dt. We know that integral x to the power of n dx, this is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So by using this formula we have to return, okay, now this is integral x to the power of n dx equal to t to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1, n plus 1 by n plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 we get 1 by 2 and denominator is also we get 1 by 2. But this 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 cancel. So then we have to return x sine inverse of x plus, so t power 1 by 2 means root t. But we have to substitute the original value. What is the original value here? T equal to minus 1 by 2. So now this is the integral value of the given problem. So dear students, I will give assignments and solve these assignments and upload in WITS Connect app. Now students, solve these problems. Find integral cos inverse of x dx and find integral cot inverse of x dx and find sec inverse of x dx and solve these problems and upload it WITS Connect app.